I've been super impressed by the people of East Tennessee, but I saw something about people coming in from other areas, other states, being really impressed. They were saying like we're a week or two ahead of where a lot of communities are with these types of events. And a lot of people have said it's the worst flooding they've ever seen. And these are responders who have been in other disaster environments that are huge, other hurricane disasters, wildfire disasters. And for them to come here and say that this is the worst flooding they've ever seen, and to really be impressed with the response of the community and the people that have been impacted. And I think it goes to this idea too, which is, do you treat people that are affected by a hazard as victims or survivors? And I think that in our case, it's clearly survivors, because they're at their home, they're not leaving their home, they are helping the people around them, even if they've been affected. And so I've been really impressed with the people of East Tennessee and how they've worked together. And really, the road to recovery is going to be long, but the early signs point to a lot of collaboration and a lot of strong work in the community, and it gives me a lot of hope.